In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set an Excel pivot to auto-refresh on File Open and Source. We'll combine a built-in pivot table option with a small piece of VBA code so your pivot stays in sync without any manual work. Let's jump straight in. Start by opening Excel and then open the workbook that contains the pivot table you want to keep refreshed. Make sure the workbook is fully loaded before moving on. Now we'll turn on the option that refreshes the pivot every time the file opens. Right-click on any cell inside the pivot. A context menu will pop up. Look near the bottom of that menu and click PivotTable Options. The PivotTable Options dialog box will appear on your screen. At the top of this dialog, you'll see several tabs. Click the Data tab. Inside the Data tab, find the checkbox labeled Refresh Data when opening the file and tick it. Once that box is checked, click OK to close the dialog. From this point on, every time anyone opens this workbook, the pivot will refresh automatically before the sheet is displayed. Next, we'll set up the macro that refreshes the pivot whenever the source data changes. Press Alt plus F11 on your keyboard. This opens a Visual Basic for Applications editor in a brand new window on top of Excel. On the left side of the editor, you'll see the Project panel. Look through the tree until you find the node named VBA Project for Sales Report.xlx. Click the small arrow or plus icon to expand it. Underneath, expand the folder called Microsoft Excel Objects. You'll now see a list of sheets. Find Sheet 1, which is labeled Sales-Data. This is the sheet that holds the source table for your pivot. Double-click it. A blank code window opens on the right side of the editor, ready for you to type into. Now we'll add the macro. At the top of the code window, you'll see two drop-downs. Click the Object drop-down on the top left. Right now it says General. Change it to Worksheet. As soon as you do, Excel automatically inserts a default procedure called Worksheet_SelectionChange. We don't want SelectionChange, so move over to the Procedure drop-down on the top right and select Change. Excel will now insert a fresh Worksheet_change procedure into the code window. You'll have two procedures showing now. We need to remove the SelectionChange block that was auto-inserted above. Carefully select all the lines that make up the SelectionChange procedure and press Delete on your keyboard. Only the Worksheet_change block should remain. Now click your cursor inside the Worksheet_change procedure, placing it between the private subline at the top and the end subline at the bottom. We'll add a single line of code here. Type this workbook.refreshAll. That one line tells Excel to refresh every connection and pivot in the workbook whenever the source sheet changes. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now we need to save the workbook properly. Close the VBA editor by clicking the X in the top right corner of its window. You'll find yourself back in Excel. Press Ctrl plus S to save the workbook. Because the file now contains a macro, make sure it's saved as a macro-enabled workbook with the .xlsm extension, so the code is preserved. And that's it. You're now back in salesreport.xlsm, fully configured. The refresh data when opening the file option is checked inside PivotTable Options. So the pivot refreshes every time the workbook opens. A Worksheet_change macro is sitting on the source sheet, calling this workbook.refreshAll. The pivot will update within a second of any edit you make to the source data, and it will refresh automatically every time the workbook is opened. From here on, your pivot table will stay current without you ever having to click refresh again. And anyone else who opens this file will see the latest figures the moment the workbook loads on their screen.